let me introduce you to Kiwi, my pet cockatiel here. If ever you hear a bird whistling in the background of my videos, it will be Kiwi, because the louder I talk, the louder he normally wants to talk. I have Googled Kiwi, the life expectancy of them, and normally it's approximately 8 years old. In rare circumstances they live to 15, and in very rare circumstances they live to 30. So Kiwi is 16 approaching 17 years old, and he's a very happy little chappy, and he's the one that you'll be hearing if you hear a bird in the background of my video. So there you go. Now you've been introduced to Kiwi the pet. Have a great day.